Alright guys, my name is Anthony Tracy and this is my top 5 best Jamaican films ever. Starting at number 5 is Rockers. A laid-back drummer is robbed of his motorbike and sets out to get justice. So the plot might sound simplistic in nature, but Rockers is a classic. And it has probably one of the best soundtracks ever. Number 4, Third World Cop. A tough, ambitious police officer, Capone, climbs the ranks of bending rules and confronting Kingston's violent underworld. This movie are just one of the best of the best. It's elite. Number 3, The Harder They Come. Country boy Ivan comes to Kingston seeking fame as a reggae singer, but is exploited by the music industry. Alright, so this film is another classic. Rest in peace, Jimmy Cliff. This film, I would urge everybody to watch this film. This one has really aged really well over the years, I would say. Number 2, Dancehall Queen. A struggling single mother, Marcia secretly transforms into the masked dancehall queen to win a major dance competition and escape poverty. Audrey Reed was fantastic in this role. Before we unveil number 1, here are the honorable mentions. Number 1, Smile Orange. This movie is just... If you never see the movie yet, you need to go see it. Like, you will laugh till you're weak. And honestly, a lot of the subject matters they tackle still relevant to this day. The writing is just crisp. The acting is great. I feel like this is peak Jamaican cinema. So did you agree with my list? Comment below and tell me the films that you think should have been in the top 5.